Chocolate, a beloved treat cherished by people worldwide, has a rich and intricate history that spans millennia. As early as 1750 BC, ancient civilizations, including the Mayans, recognized the allure of chocolate, using it not only as a delectable indulgence but also as medicine and in religious rituals. Today, this cherished delicacy is ubiquitous, with companies shipping out as much as 3 million tons of it annually. But how is this beloved treat created? The journey of chocolate begins in Africa, the historical home of the cacao tree. The cacao tree, the source of chocolate, thrives in specific conditions requiring temperatures around 25 degrees Celsius and high humidity, conditions found primarily along the equator. The Mayans, occupying such regions, were the first to unlock the secrets of the cacao tree. However, the harvesting process has changed little since their time, as cacao trees are delicate and require manual care. Each cacao pod is meticulously cut from the tree by hand, a laborious task that requires precision and patience. Once harvested, the cacao beans must be extracted manually from the pods, a process that involves separating them from the sticky white pulp that surrounds them. Following extraction, the beans undergo a crucial fermentation process, during which they are placed in specialized fermentation boxes covered with banana leaves. Over 3 to 9 days, this process not only eliminates bacteria but also imparts the beans with their characteristic brown color and rich flavor. Subsequently, the fermented beans are sun-dried to remove excess moisture, inhibiting the growth of fungi and bacteria while further developing their flavor profile. Once dried, the beans embark on a journey to chocolate factories worldwide. Upon arrival, they undergo rigorous inspection by quality assurance officers to ensure they meet the required standards of color and consistency. Approved beans proceed to specialized processing plants, where they undergo roasting, a critical step in chocolate production. Roasting, conducted in revolving cylinders with heated air, reduces the beans' moisture content and triggers a chemical reaction that enhances their flavor. After roasting, the beans are winnowed to separate the cacao nibs from the husks. Vibrating shelves within the winnowing machine accomplish this task, allowing the nibs to be collected while the husks are blown away. The precious nibs are then ground into a thick paste, known as chocolate liquor. This liquor undergoes further processing to produce cocoa powder or cocoa butter, depending on the desired end product. For cocoa powder production, the liquor may be treated with an alkaline solution to alter its color and flavor profile. The defatted liquor is then processed into cocoa powder through a series of grinding and sifting stages. Meanwhile, cocoa butter extracted from the liquor is a crucial ingredient in chocolate candy production. Mixed with chocolate liquor and other additives, such as powdered milk, sugar, or vanilla, cocoa butter undergoes conching, a process that imparts smooth texture and consistency to the chocolate. The invention of milk chocolate by Swiss chocolatier Daniel Peter in 1875 revolutionized the chocolate industry. By mixing powdered milk developed by Henry Nestlé with chocolate liquor, Peter created a sweeter, creamier chocolate variant that quickly gained popularity worldwide. Today, a myriad of chocolate varieties exists, each crafted through precise blending and tempering techniques. Tempering, the final step in chocolate production, involves carefully heating and cooling the chocolate to manipulate its crystal structure, ensuring a smooth, glossy finish and satisfying snap. Once tempered, the chocolate is poured into molds to create bars or other confections. A final quality check ensures that the chocolate is free from imperfections before it is wrapped in foil or paper packaging to preserve its freshness. Despite its seemingly simple ingredients, chocolate production is a complex and intricate process that requires skill, precision, and attention to detail. From the delicate cultivation of cacao trees to the meticulous processing and tempering of chocolate, each step plays a crucial role in creating the beloved treat enjoyed by millions worldwide. As the chocolate industry continues to evolve and innovate, one thing remains constant: the timeless appeal of chocolate, a cherished indulgence that transcends cultures and generations.